Hey, this is Clint again with Clint's Classic World. Wanted to talk to you briefly about this vehicle right here. It's a 1969 Dodge Charger RT. This car would be an awesome car. It's ready for restoration, needs to be restored. But let's talk a little bit about this vehicle right here. It's a 1969 Dodge Charger RT, originally red with a 440 engine. Nice power plant for this vehicle right here. Please subscribe to my channel and let's get on and talk a little bit more about this vehicle. 1, 2, 3, here we go. So let's take a look at this 69 Dodge Charger as we roll on by this thing. Let's take a look at this body here. Look at that. It does have a few issues here and there. But yeah, it's a cool Charger, let me tell you. It's got a little dirt on it, but it is an XSL code right there. Let's take a look at the trunk in this 69 Dodge Charger. Oh, there's a little bit of dirt flowing through the trunk. You can see right here, here's the red paint on the Charger. Look at the trunk. Somebody has put a trunk in this vehicle here. Just laid it in, really. It's not, you know, it hadn't been cut in properly, so that's going to be come back out and done properly. If not, even buy another piece of metal to put in there, because that's not anything close to being right. Does have the lights in it. Looks like we've got right back here. It does look like the wiring harnesses are laid back in the vehicle, which that's nice. It's missing a spare tire. It needs a spare. But, you know, other than that, you know, it does need some work. You know, this 1969 was a long time ago, so it's going to need some body work. So let's talk about the interior. Let me roll up here in my nice roller skates. All right, open up the door. Push this open more. All right, look at this door panel here. It's not in too bad a shape. A lot of times you see these cushions here go out of shape pretty good, and it's actually not too bad. Even the cushion up here is not cracked up pretty bad. But you know, you can see the seats here. They did have headrests, which that's cool. That's a cool option. You can look at the back seat here. Look at that in the back. It's torn up. It's got some age. You can see some rust here in the bottom floors a little bit. There's a hole right there. There's a hole through there. You know, but look at this, look at that, check that out. And that's really cool, seeing the seat belt attachment there. Here's the underneath here on the floor. Well, you can definitely see some rat droppings in there, so who knows what kind of critters have been in and out of this vehicle throughout the years. But, you know, it's not a huge hole in the floor. I mean, so far, we haven't pulled all the carpet, but you can see there's a bunch of, there's like a nest or something in the, looks like in the vent there. So some wires. The dash is here. That's positive. It all needs to be redone pretty much. Automatic. It's nice. There's some parts in here, it looks like. There's some more parts up there. The floors, actually, if you look at that floor, it's pretty solid. It's missing the radio bezel. It's a non-AC car. There is no headliner in here, it's out, but it looks like the headliner bows, so that's good. So this is a good project. Turn out to be a cool 69 Dodge Charger one of these days. Let's take a look at the engine bay. Okay, so let's take a look at the engine bay on this 69 Dodge Charger RT. There it is. No engine. Gonna have to find a replacement engine for this vehicle. No transmission. But take a look. It's actually pretty solid. I mean, it has some issues here and there, but mostly surface rust in here. Pretty solid. Looks like somebody put an electronic ignition up there, which that would not have been correct on 1969. Does have a fender tag, as you can see over there. What's really important too, if you're a Mopar person, you understand these body numbers. See, there's the body numbers right there, and those body numbers do match the VIN. It's a power steering car. Very good. The horns, you've got the K-frame, the V8 K-frame. This would not come with the skid plate in 69. They changed that in 70, where you would have 440 and Hemi cars with skid plates, but in 69 you would not see a 440 Charger with a skid plate. Got the little vacuum canister down there, because you've got the the hidden headlights on these Chargers. Very cool. Has a sway bar down there. Let's take a look back here. You can see the vacuum pods in there that help to open the doors, the mechanisms there. So go on this side. Yep, same thing. There's vacuum pod and the mechanisms to open up the doors for the headlights and the vacuum lines. Let's take a look at this grill. Grill's not perfect, but it's not terrible either. Could be salvageable, possibly. Yeah, I like the grill. Let's go underneath it here. The license plate bracket. The front valance is in there. Pretty cool car. Also body numbers on the trunk lip. So let's go check to verify that those match the VIN as well. Well, here we are. Let's take a look at it here. Let's check out the trunk lip. I did locate the spot, and sure enough, there are the numbers, and they do match the VIN. So that is really important on these Mopars. Something to note on some of these Chargers is that some of them came with the stripe delete, or some of them did have stripes, or then possibly they had emblems as well, or just emblems. So let's look at this one. This would actually have been a stripe delete car, and as you can see, you can actually see through this Bondo on the rear quarter panel here, you can actually see where the RT was sitting. That's really cool. Well, there you have it. A 1969 Dodge Charger RT. Thank you for viewing this video. Please subscribe to my channel. I'm going to have more classic cars, more vintage vehicles, and more parts to go over, and possibly even some restorations we're going to be working on as well. So look forward to seeing you on the next time on my channel. Look forward to it.